Hi there, my name is Sabaz and I'm the CEO of Hello Services and Tenancy Cleaning. This message is for all our existing partners. I first would like to thank you for being our partner and delivering your excellent cleaning services to all our customers across the UK. As part of our plan to be able to provide more services to our customers, we have introduced a new service which is going to be part of our cleaning services, which is a jet washing service. So this message is for all of you guys. You will be required to acquire a professional pressure washing machine. I am going to be providing a link or a recommended machine that you can acquire or a similar one. Please have it ready within the next 2 weeks, as we will be preparing our marketing and our plans for getting you jobs for pressure washing service. Pressure washing is for outside areas where you will have a machine and of course the water will be provided by the customer, and you will be jet washing the outside areas such as the pavement, the deck, the driveway, or even fences sometimes balconies, garages. It can add an additional income to your business. We have tried it in the past with our sister company, and it does bring another 25% business to you guys. So please have yourself prepared for jet washing service, as it will be part of our service, and we will have that option available to all our customers, whether they want to do the jet washing as a separate service or they can combine with the existing cleaning services that we already provide. You will be required to have it acquired and have it ready as soon as possible. The operational department, my colleague Hamza, Jennifer, Ahmed and Waqas are going to be in touch with you to give you further update about the pressure washing service that we are going to add to our service. So please get it ready as soon as you can. The sooner the better. And we look forward to building a long and longer term business partnership with you guys. Thank you so much. And by the way, be prepared. It's summer. We are getting busier. And as you know, our professional cleaning service is quite seasonal. The busiest period is from June all the way to end of October. So be prepared to do whatever you can do to basically do as many jobs as possible within this period. Thank you so much, guys. You take care.